Hey everyone, welcome back. If your YouTube channel growth suddenly stopped, don't panic. This happens to a lot of creators, and in this video, I'll explain why it happens and how to fix it step by step in 2026. Step 1. Check your analytics trends. Go to YouTube Studio to Analytics to overview. Look at views, watch time, and subscriber trends. Sometimes growth slows naturally after a spike. It doesn't always mean there's a problem. Step 2. Analyze video performance. Check which videos are performing well and which aren't. Low retention, low CTR, or fewer impressions on recent uploads can cause slower growth. Step 3. Review content consistency. Uploading irregularly or switching topics too often can hurt growth. The algorithm favors channels that consistently post within a specific niche. Step 4. Optimize for audience retention. The algorithm promotes videos that keep viewers engaged. Strong hooks, fast pacing, and fewer long intros help maintain watch time. Step 5. Refresh metadata and thumbnails. Update titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Thumbnails should be eye-catching and clearly convey the video topic. Step 6. Encourage engagement. Likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions signal value to the algorithm. Ask viewers to interact naturally and provide a call to action. Step 7. Consider external factors. Seasonal trends, holidays, or increased competition can temporarily slow growth. These are normal and usually recover over time. So if your YouTube channel growth suddenly stopped, it's usually about retention, CTR, content consistency, or algorithm testing, not a permanent problem. Focus on these areas and your channel should start growing again. And that's how to recover YouTube channel growth step by step in 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more creator tips, and I'll see you in the next one.